siesta key. All right. Crab people. We're on the dessert round now, babe. Okay, dessert round. What we got? Who gave it to me? Jamie. I think Jamie did. Jamie, thank you. You gave me something I could work with. We got maple syrup, mandarin oranges, Vita cheese, and waffle cones. Ready, set. I got my arm back. Go! I have a dream, baby. Alright. I've never used Velveeta before. It's liquid gold. Ew, it's so sticky. Ugh. Ah! It's like Cheese Whiz. I need a baggie. Where are the big baggies? There they are. Big baggie. You know what? Put a whole block of Velveeta in there. We don't need it. That's, $8 block of cheese. Who cares? Right? Who cares? Just an $8 block of cheese. Who cares? I love mandarin oranges. Well, my original idea of let's caramelize things. I used this tactic last time. Let's see if I can get past the judges with it again. That smells like breakfast. Breakfast at the beach. Right now, right here, I'm caramelizing mandarin oranges, I think. Over here, I'm getting my cheese melted to do some silly things with it. Yeah. That's all I got right now. I think my mandarin oranges are literally disintegrating. That's nasty. Ew, it looks like eggs. It smells like eggs. Why? It's cheese, damn it. What is that? Ew. Is it burnt cheese? What the fuck is that? Watch this shit. That's not mixing well. Ew. I don't know what I'm doing anymore, and I don't know where this is going to be a dessert. Alright, here goes. Hup! It didn't stick! Damn it. Oh God, it's melting. Oh God. Mint chocolate chip cone dipped in what the cheese mandarin orange. The fuck? No. I deserve to be chopped. Oh my God. That didn't make it better. I thought I knew what I was doing with this. I lost my spoon inside the cheese. It's gone. Alright, thanks for tuning in to the Cooking with Kurt Chop Challenge. I just wasted probably like $50. Subscribe, leave a like. If y'all want me to do this again, comment. Or just tell me at work, I don't give a shit. I'm gonna make something that actually tastes good. Bye.